People over 35, what's something you genuinely miss that younger generations will probably never experience? When everyone watched a TV show at the same time in their individual households, and then came together to talk about it the next day. Pre-streaming services days. Commercials still sucked, but there was something magical about it. Commercial breaks were the signal start to a race to the bathroom, or to get snacks from the kitchen. They were no fun with how they broke up the movie, show you were watching, but I kind of missed the urgency and challenge of it.